Greetings to everyone. Welcome back. Here we are going to learn about length, weight, capacity and temperature. So what are all these? All these are nothing but measurements. So in the previous grade you have learned what are measurements. If suppose measuring how tall you are or how much weight you are or how much capacity can be stored or how much temperature is around you, all these are called as measurement. So what is length? So for example, when you go to a hospital, they will check your height. So that is called as length. The same hospital will check your weight, how much weight you are weighing. So that is weight. What is capacity? When you take a bottle, only a certain amount of bottle can be stored inside that. So that is called as capacity. What is temperature? When you look around, you can feel the atmospheric air. How much the air is, if it is cold or if it is hot. So in the seasons like winter, monsoon, summer, spring, you can different you can experience different temperature. So all those are called as temperatures. Length, weight, temperature and capacity. So in this lecture we will be learning about length, measuring in length, weight, capacity and temperature. So the first topic is length. What is length? Here you can see a boy and he is keeping his hands wide open. And in between those hands you can see a line. So this line, so he is measuring the length between his two hands. For example, let us take a paper. Okay, this is a paper. And with the help of a ruler, you can measure how much length the paper is. So you have to measure it from this end to this end, that is from one end to another. Here you can see the size of something from one end, from this end to other end, how long something is. All those are called as length. What is weight? How heavy something or somebody is heavy. So it when you take a baking industry, okay, so if they are measuring maida, so there will be a certain amount that has to be put it into the cake. So if it is 100 gram, you should place it inside the weighing machine to check the weight. Or if you are going to a hospital and they are checking your weight, they will tell you, they will calculate it weight and height, and they will tell you if you are obese or if you are underweight. So they will calculate all these and say. So when you see all these, you need to know the weight. Moving on to the first topic, which is capacity. Have you ever heard of the word capacity? What is capacity? So, when you imagine a water bottle, so there will be different sizes of water bottle, and each water bottle will have a amount that can be stored inside. Amount of water or amount of liquid that can be stored inside. So that is called as capacity. So here they have given us, have you ever observed that when you fill a water in a pan or a bottle, there is only certain amount of water you can fill in them. So same example, imagine a water bottle. So when we take a water bottle, there will be certain amount of water that can be filled in that. So that amount, that certain amount is called as capacity. Or when you take a pan, and when you are sauteing some vegetables, there can only be a certain amount of vegetables inside that. If you exceed that limit, then it will get overflowed. So that is called as capacity. So they say the certain amount that the pan, bottle or any other container can hold is called as the capacity. So as I said, this bottle can only be filled till this. So if you fill above that, it will overflow. So the amount of water or amount of anything that a container can store is called as capacity. They say in mathematics, capacity is defined as maximum quantity a container can hold when full. So here is a creature. So sorry, here is a character, and it has number of cups: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here there is a packet of milk. So it is trying to fill these milks here. So the capacity of the mug is what? The mug is like this. So only till this end a mug can be filled. So when we fill it till this will be the capacity. So if you fill more than that, it will get a overflow. So the the maximum quantity a container can hold when full is called as capacity. So here is the SI unit. The SI unit of capacity is milliliter. So when you go to a shop and you ask them, give me 50 ml of oil or 100 ml of ghee. So when you tell the quantity, they will know how many should they give it to you. So here you can see this is ml. Here they are representing 1000 ml. So milliliter is denoted by the letters ml. Milliliter is denoted by small m and small l.